Hi, and welcome back to the second part of my older adult video presentation. I will jump right in right now to these biopsychosocial factors that have contributed to Leon's ego integrity. And when talking to him about directly asking him what he thought contributed to his success, this accomplishment, this wonderful life that he's telling me about, he couldn't identify anything concretely. So I thought that I would illustrate some of the quotes he said so that this can kind of show us what these factors were. When he talks about justice being served for his son who was murdered, that is very telling to me. He really feels at peace now that his son's murderer is serving time in prison and will not be out in his lifetime at least. And seems to be able to cope with it better because of that. I wonder what would have happened and how the outlook and how the experience would have been interpreted differently had justice not been served. He talks about his good job and the New York City Transit Authority. So, of course, that is a social factor that contributed to his resolution. He felt like he was not stagnant. He generated this as his identity. He's able to say that he contributed to society in this way. He didn't go to jail. What factors contribute to somebody looking at that as a life accomplishment? In my family, if I didn't go to jail, it's a no-brainer. Like, that just is par for the course. So what social factors influenced that as being as coming from a perspective of accomplishment? So I think that all of these things, his religion, the fact that he's able to see the sunshine for another day, talks about his physical integrity. So he's able to get up, he's able to walk around, he's able to care for his lawn and drive to go get his wife from work and drop her off every day. So, and then the last thing that he talked about was having a golden spoon around his neck. This was something that I needed clarification. I said, what does that mean? And he said, golden spoon, you know. I said, no, I don't know. He said, well, it's like everybody around you wants to see you do good. So he feels like he's been surrounded by a system of family and friends that really want to see him do well. When he talks about immigration and the cultural transition, he really talks about it in the positive light. Everything is, he says that it wasn't the same as now, that it was very easy, that he came during in 1967, because he remembers that it was the Independence Day, which is November. And the only regret he seems to have had is that he missed his stepmom's funeral in the immigration process. So he really talked about that a lot. So in summary, when we talk about family systems theory, that was the other perspective that I kind of wanted to look at Leon's life through. And I was able to identify these key social systems that he interacts with now and throughout his life that have contributed to this resolution. Lastly, I was able to create a genogram for Leon, and while there are many limitations, we don't see any other social systems that are a factor. We don't see any timeline of events. It does give me an overview of Leon and, his love relationships. I'm able to see that he has a son that's passed away. I'm able to see that he does have a close relationship with that stepmother figure. And that guilt, some of that guilt that he talked about missing her funeral, might be something that I would use to reframe his thinking in this narrative therapy that I talked about before. So, while there are limitations to family systems theory, I do feel that all of the theories are useful in some capacity or another in allowing us to gain a full picture into our clients' lives and really have a comprehensive approach to how we're going to help them. Again, I urge everyone to please look at the narrative therapy article. It is a great tool to put in your social worker toolbox in the future. And I thank you for listening. I hope everyone has a nice night.